Hello, it's Dr. Moore with the mean and standard deviation problem set. Question 2. Question 2 says, students in an environmental science class measured the height of 6 goldenrod plants growing in a highway median. Their results are shown in the table below. And as before, our job is to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Starting with the mean, or x bar, we're going to add together these 6 numbers and then divide by 6 because there are 6 numbers. So we get 76 plus 81 plus 83 plus 90 plus 55 plus 78 divided by 6. That's the same as 463 divided by 6, which is equal to 77.17. Let's not forget our units, which are centimeters, and also that we are going to be rounding to the nearest tenth. So this will be 77.2 centimeters as our mean. Then to calculate standard deviation, the first thing we need is our mean. We've got that. Then we're going to calculate the difference between each of these data points and the mean. So 76 minus 77.12 is negative 1.2. 81 minus 77.2 is 3.8. 83 minus 77.2 is 5.8. 90 minus 77.2 is 12.8. 55 minus 77.2 is negative 22.2. And 78 minus 77.2 is 0.8. Next, we're going to square each of these numbers so that we will get rid of the negative signs. Negative 1.2 squared is 1.44. 3.8 squared is 14.44. 5.8 squared is 33.64. 12.8 squared is 163.84. Negative 22.2 squared is 492.84. And 0.8 squared is 0.64. Next, we're going to add together these 6 terms to find their sum, which is going to be 706.84. We're going to take this number, 706.84, and divide it by 1 less than the sample size. So we have 6 samples, we're going to subtract 1. That's the same as 706.84 divided by 5, which is equal to 141.37. And then our last step is to take the square root so that we can undo what we did back here at step 3. The square root of 141.37 is equal to 11.9. Our unit is centimeters. And before we record it on the line, let's just double check our work with the answers down here. Sure enough, the standard deviation is 11.9. 11.9 centimeters.